Hello viewers, this is Chef Thomas. Today I'm going to show you how to make Yorkshire pudding. Here are some of the ingredients that we're going to need. That's plain flour, milk, eggs, salt and pepper, and some oil. In the meantime, we're going to preheat the oven at 190 degrees for about 10 minutes. This is to make sure the oil in the mold is very, very hot. Look at what I'm doing. You get 20 mils or about 25 mils of oil, not more than that, and spread over the small molds and put them in the oven. It has to be really, really hot in order to get good results. We're going to measure our ingredients. You got 700 mils plain milk, 330 grams plain flour, 6 whole eggs, and we need to crack them one by one just to avoid some shells getting into the mix. Although in the end we're gonna have to sieve it. So do just like this. And then whisk a little bit slowly. Just whisk a little bit slowly. Add some milk little by little, and then some salt and pepper in the end. Just observe what I'm doing. We're going to add some seasoning, salt and pepper. Once you are satisfied with the seasoning, we're going to sieve it. You have to pass it through a chinois or a strainer just to avoid lumps. When making the Yorkshire pudding, make sure you use plain flour, not self-raising flour. Once the oil is really hot, after 10 minutes, just pour a little bit, not too much, just 3/4. Don't overfill it because it's going to prove. So fill all the things like that. And then take them back to the oven straight away. And then we're going to set the temperatures or the timer until for about 25 minutes maximum. And then you will have to see that they are proving just from the inside. Just look at how they are doing in the oven. So after 25 minutes elapse, you just remove them from the oven. See this delicious Yorkies. Look at that. Amazing. This is how you're gonna make